Hey guys, welcome back to another exploring video, and for today's video we are going to be exploring an abandoned school. Now this school has been abandoned for a couple years, I believe. I forgot to shoot an intro while I was there because my main concern was to get inside of the freaking school, and that was it, because the neighborhood that we had went to was really bad. I mean, there was gangbangers over there. You know, they were flashing their guns around, they were talking crap to us. You know, we're not doing anything, we were just minding our own business. You know, just doing what we do, you know, film abandoned stuff, and you know, that's what we were there for. But no, they want to mistake, yeah, that we're thugs too. I was like, you know, let's just ignore them. I can honestly say that was really scary because you don't know if they were gonna shoot or not. I don't know, but thank God I'm still here. That was really scary. It was a horrible neighborhood. I would never go back there again. But before we get into the video, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and go down there right now. Go down there right now and freaking smash that like button, guys. Now in this part of the video, guys, I'd like to give shout outs. So here is an Instagram shout out, a Twitter shout out, and a Snapchat shout out. And last but not least, a YouTube shout out. So shout out to you. Now to receive all these shout outs, guys, make sure you guys are obviously subscribed to my channel, turn on post notifications, and make sure you guys follow me on all my social media and stay active. And you guys will be in the next video shout outs. But like I said, guys, this video was probably like one of the scariest things that I had to go through. I mean, approaching all these thugs on the block, I mean, they were just everywhere. They were just everywhere. It was just crazy. The things I do just to film, like I said, I mean, thugs were posted every freaking where on the block, and I was just like, oh my God, we're gonna freaking die today. We're gonna die today. But thank God we didn't. So make sure you guys smash that like button for us having to go through some crazy stuff like that. But enough with the talking, guys. We're gonna get straight into the video. Okay, right now, guys, we're inside of an auditorium. This is freaking huge, man. Look at all that. That's crazy. And the big stage up there. God dang. This place, guys, is freaking humongous. It's so freaking big. It's actually really crazy that we got inside. Let's go check out the stage. So right now we're on the stage. That's how it looked. It has 2 floors. So you guys can see up there. This place is freaking huge, man. I never explored a place so freaking big, and this is actually really freaking crazy. So I'm gonna enjoy this while we're here. What's down there? What's down there? Nothing. Like beer bottles and stuff. It's an exit. I wonder what this could lead to. I don't even know what the hell this is. Yo, that looks freaking spooky. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Oh, I almost just tripped. Guys, by the way, I'm with my boy COMA Chilsy. So make sure you guys go ahead and go subscribe to his channel. His channel is down in the description. So go drop a big like and go follow him. Let's see what's in here. Hey bro, there's like a ladder going up here. What the hell? Oh, you'll be able to get in that room from another door. Yeah, this looks like they just had like all their cleaning supplies in here for the custodians. What's in here, bro? Oh, that's the auditorium. For some odd reason, I keep hearing people talk. I think it's just my imagination. This is like a classroom, guys. I have to make sure I stay away from the windows though, so I can't really show you that good one. Look at, what the hell is that? A little spider or something. This is probably like one of the teacher bathrooms or something. Ugh. So many dookies and pee went in there. Ugh. Ugh. Little mirror. Oh wow. It smells funky in here. Oh, damn it. Wow. That long, spooky hallway. Right now, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna go see what's up there, so. Going upstairs now, guys. Go see what's up here. Oh my lord. Here we got a classroom. Like I said, guys, I'm trying to keep my lights low as possible because there's tons of windows. Oh, this is where they used to hang up like their school bags, jackets, coats, all that. You have that board over there. Then that. Wow, this place is huge. Hey, that's dope. We're on the second level from the auditorium. This freaking place is huge, bro. God dang. Jesus. Just imagine all the parents and stuff watching their kids graduate on stage over there. Performances used to be right there on stage. This place is just now completely forgotten about. This is freaking insane, guys. So if you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you guys go down there and smash that like button. Subscribe if you guys are new, and we will keep dropping more content like this. Like I said, this is probably like the biggest thing that we actually got into to explore for you guys. There's still tons more to go, so we'll go ahead and keep recording for you guys, and let's make this a banger. Ooh. Broken glass. Not surprising. Oh! Did I get you? I had a scared COMA. I knew he was in this room. I seen some lights over here, so I decided to come over here and scare him.
Man, I got scared as hell. You know I'm scared of me?
We had to make this video somewhat interesting. I mean, there's a lot to film here, but
What the hell was that?
I scared the out of COMA.
Dude, you scared me. I jumped.
Ugh. All this freaking crap on the floor.
I'm actually scared. Oh, what's going on here? I was about to tell you, but don't be actually scared at time like, oh, someone getting in the door. Don't be
We got him again, guys. Make sure you guys go down there and smash the like button for scaring Coma twice. He's so easy to scare. I mean, don't get me wrong. If he scared me right now too, I would probably jump high key. But he's not trying, so don't get any ideas, man. Don't get any ideas. Oh, look it. This is cool. Look it. An old desk. You have to be careful with that light, with the window. No. What? Oh my god. Yo, there's a ladder. Holy shoot, dude. Alright guys, we're on top of the roof now of the school. That's our downtown right there. Downtown Chicago, if you guys see it right there. It's so nice up here. It's so chill. God dang. And there's another ladder to climb up there. But we just climbed up all those steps to get up here. So just to show you guys the downtown view, which looks really beautiful tonight. So that's why we did that. I could have sworn as we were climbing up, we heard something inside the school, like if someone had a pole or something, like a pole dropped, right? Like when we were climbing up the stairs, then we hear like some weird stuff.
Yeah, like some weird screaming, and then I don't know, I just felt like a really bad vibe, like someone's like in the bathroom.
Yeah, we just had a bad vibe. Like I kind of felt like someone was in there. I don't know what the heck. Yeah, it was like a knock, and then like we heard like a pole maybe drop on the floor, and then we heard a scream, which was really freaking scary. I was just like, whoa. Yeah, and my camera kept twitching. I'm like, wait, what the heck? So I don't have the footage of that because I had to put my camera away so I could climb up. But yeah, this is freaking insane. That's how it looks at nighttime. Let's enjoy this beautiful city. You guys get the nice look. I shouldn't even be up here. I'm freaking scared of heights. But this is the view. And then like I said, if you can see those two lights that's flickering over there, that is the Willis Tower. So this place is freaking insane. Like I'm on the roof right now. We're just chilling, just having a good time. You know, we're not here to do anything bad, nothing stupid, just documenting stuff, and that's about it. Seeing if we can catch any spooky stuff too, which there was some spooky stuff that just went on just like I said. But like I said, I was not recording, so obviously I did not catch that footage. Look at, we found another one where we could climb down. That's freaking sick and dope. This is probably like a science classroom probably. It has the smell of like a science type of smell. What's up?
Almost like
Yeah guys, like almost every freaking classroom has the same layout, so that's why I'm really not exploring all the classrooms. It's basically all the same stuff. Look guys, we found the gym. This is pretty freaking sick, man. Anyone down for some basketball? That's so sick, we found the gym. Obviously every school has a gym, but it's so sick, we found the gym. What the heck does this say? I don't even know. Can't read that type of writing.
be careful. Yeah. You hear that? Shut up, lights.
Alright guys, I'm pretty sure you noticed like a cut and I didn't do an outro right there. That's because I swear we heard something, like we heard like poles drop, and then we started hearing like footsteps walking towards kind of our way, and then that's why we shut off our lights so no one can obviously see where we're at. We don't know who could have been inside that school, but deep down I feel like there was actually someone inside that school, so we had turned off our lights and we just hurried up and got out of there. Like I said, it was a bad neighborhood. We didn't want to just be chilling inside that neighborhood and all that, so we just hurry up, went in, did our thing, and hurry up and got out as fast as we can. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Try to take it from me, I ain't got it back. I lost day one.